Hello, my name is Scott and welcome to another help desk tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about electronic signatures and how to add them to your Adobe Acrobat. An electronic signature or an e-signature is a way to sign documents in a binding way so that you don't have to print or create a hard copy. This easily allows you to email your acknowledgement on a form, contract, or document. There are two ways to sign electronically, an e-signature and a digital signature. Both methods are accepted as acknowledgement of a document, though the originator of the document should determine which form of signature is required. We recommend a digital signature as it provides a timestamp and additional security measures. So, what's the difference? An e-signature is a signature that is accepted as acknowledgement of legal consent to a form or contract. It is applied using your mouse or other user interface device such as a touchscreen on an iPad or a tablet to draw. You can also import a picture of your signature or text of your signature. Most documents that need signing can be done using your e-signature. A digital signature is the same as an e-signature, but there is an added layer of security through a cryptographic key that helps determine after the signature is applied if the document was tampered with. A digital signature also provides a visible timestamp of when the document was signed, a kind of notary validation. But warning, this does not replace the use of a notary public if one is required. If a digital signature is required, a field looking like this in Adobe Acrobat will be placed in the document. If this field is not in place, you can usually use an e-signature to sign. If you are still questioning which signature you need to use, contact the sender of the document to clarify what signature you need. So let's create your e-signature. As you can see, we have Adobe Acrobat open with a sample signature page open. On the right-hand side, go ahead and click Fill and Sign. This brings up the option to sign the document. Click on Sign and then Add Signature. It opens up a dialog box where you can create your signature by typing it in, or you have the option to draw it with your mouse cursor, or import an image. If you want to change the style of how it looks, go ahead and click the drop-down Change Style. Once you're satisfied with your signature, click Apply. This turns your mouse cursor into your signature and go ahead and drop it in the approximate location on where you need to sign. Using the drag arrows, you can resize your signature, or you can also resize it using the big A to increase the size or the small a to decrease the size. Once you're happy with the placement, go ahead and fill out the rest of the form. Once you're done filling out, go ahead and save your document. Now your signature is in place. If you need to sign additional spaces, you can go ahead and click sign again, and then you'll have a copy of your saved signature already there. And that's how you create your e-signature. Let's create your digital signature. As you can see, we both have our Adobe Acrobat open along with our sample signature page. Go to the very top left-hand corner. On Windows, it's under Edit. On Mac, it's under the Acrobat banner. Click and go down to Preferences. In Preferences, scroll down on the left-hand side until you see Signatures. Click on Signatures and bring up Identities and Trust Certificates. Click More. This brings up a box where you can add your new ID. Go ahead and click Add ID and brings up a dialog, and you're going to create a new digital ID, the second option. Click Next, and then you're going to select the first option, New PKCS ID. Enter your information in the corresponding boxes. Most importantly, fill out the name and email address. Once it's all completed, click Next, and then it will prompt you to create a password. Go ahead and create your password. Make sure you adhere to proper security by making your password at least 8 characters long with upper and lower case, a number, and a special character. Once you're done, click Finish. Go ahead, close your boxes until you're back to your main page. Make sure you fill out the form beforehand, because once you apply your digital ID, it'll prompt you to save the document. Go ahead and just click the field, and then it'll bring up your options to select your digital ID. Go ahead and click continue once you have yours selected, and then if you're satisfied, put in your password to apply your ID. Sign, and then it'll prompt you to save your document. As you can see, it put in your signature along with a timestamp of when you completed the signing. And that's how you create your digital signature. So you want your digital signature to be your signature instead of text. To do that, go back into your preferences. Under signatures, go to creation and appearance and click more. Under appearances, go ahead and click new. Now you can name your signature, then go to import a graphic. Go to file and browse for the picture of your signature. The preferred picture format should be JPEG or PNG. Once you have it selected, it will show you a preview of what it will look like, and then click OK. You can exit all these dialog boxes and go back to your page. As you can see, we have a digital signature, but we do not have the field for it. So we click on More Tools, and then we'll click on Certificates. At the top, there's an option to digitally sign. Click OK, and then use your cursor to draw where you want to sign. Select your signature, and then from Appearance up on top, you can select which version of your signature you want to use. Once you select it, go ahead and type in your password so you can create your signature. Now you have your actual signature instead of text for your signature. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you want to call us directly, we have the extension 271, or from off campus 455-0271. Or you can contact us via our email address, lcchelp@hawaii.edu. Also, we have our link to our website in the description down below.